Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and black's pawn is going downward in this direction. So guys, as always, pause the video and guess the correct move on your own, and we will look at the correct solutions together. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So the pawn is moving downward, and the thing is, if we lose the rook, we can't win this with only a bishop. A bishop alone cannot deliver a checkmate with the help of the king. That is going to be insufficient material. So we can't lose the rook, and the pawn looks scary, and the king, the enemy king, is in place to make the enemy pawn a queen. So what should we do now? Well, we don't have a time to play here and stop the pawn, because black would push the pawn and attack your rook, and if you just move the rook, black would promote to a queen, and you have to capture that. If in this position, if you pin the pawn, black would play king to g3, and on the next move black is going to promote to a queen. Yes, you can win the queen, but you can't win the game with only a bishop. So that is the problem, and this move doesn't work because it's too slow. The only winning move is to play rook to f3, attacking the pawn. So now black is going to push the pawn, and here is the most critical part of the puzzle. We are going to play bishop to f1, sacrificing the bishop. This has two purposes. The first one is, if black captures this, obviously we capture back and we would end up with all a rook, and that is enough to win the game. But if black promotes here, we are going to play rook to h3, and that is checkmate. So this is the idea, and some of you think, what if black promotes here to a knight? Well, we don't play this move. That's going to be exposing the rook directly. But what we can do is we can actually move the bishop away, and no, not the bishop, but the rook away like this, and we can actually win the knight, right? So the knight can't move anywhere. Everything is defended by the pieces, by our pieces, and when black moves the king like this, we, with the help of the king, we hunt the knight and win the knight, and that way we can actually win the game. So this is actually theoretically winning for white, because it's a minor piece against minor piece. This minor piece can be traded off, and white would end up with a rook, and that is winning. So this is the solution of the puzzle. If you found all of this, congratulations. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Bye.